Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Doha. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.sisq.qa. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of Swiss International School Qatar. In this main page left corner menu available. In this menu one of the option our school. If you click this link our school you can get one option vacancies. If you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Swiss International School Doha. Job vacancies, we are now hiring for August 2022 roles. So now hiring, join the SISQ team. Check our August 2022 vacancies. So what are the vacancies? Primary school homeroom teacher, art teacher, early years homeroom teacher, Arabic teacher, Islamic studies teacher, French language teacher, mathematics teacher, humanities teacher, science teacher, university counselor, Arabic teacher, Islamic studies, English, middle year program DP teacher, school counselor and middle year program PE teacher. So these are all the vacancies. And French teacher also they are seeking the candidate. So please forward your CV and cover letter in English, careers@sisq.qa with the subject. You can mention your subject of in your email. For example, if you are interested for primary school homeroom teacher, you can click this link primary school homeroom teacher. You can get another one tab. So overseas benefits include basic salary, housing allowance and plus private medical insurance. The job is going to start August 2022. The deadline of this application is 1st April 2022. So job posted 3rd January 2022. So about the school they are given what are the responsibilities, professional development, qualification, experience and attributes they are given, degree in the primary education. Age must not exceed 49 years of age at the time of joining the school. Superior experience working with the primary school. Fluent in English language, excellent communication skill, efficient and strong organization skills. So what are the desirable? Fluent in second language, experience with the international IB school. So application process, please complete our initial screening form to register your interest in our position of primary year program school teacher. Once you have completed the form, should you successfully pass the initial screening stage, the recruiting team will contact you with regards to the next step. Please apply early. SISQ may make an appointment before the closing date if an exceptional candidate is found. So job description also here given. So make sure before applying please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. So how to apply? So here they are given apply now. If you click this link apply now, you can get the primary year program job application form, that means initial application form. So please complete this form to register your interest for the role of primary year teachers, Swiss International School, Qatar. Should you wish to refer to the job description, please refer the website. First one is email ID, or name and age, nationality, teaching license. Then you can give it to the next. Qualification and experience. Here red color asterisks are mandatory, so make sure before applying please check. Current employment status. Then social status. Once you have completed the 4 page, you can submit your job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future references. Like this, you can submit your initial application form for Swiss International School, Qatar. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So if you want more details about the school, you can check it in the menu right corner available. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.akis.sch.qa. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Alcor International School. In this main page, right corners careers available. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Alcor International School, Qatar. So vacancies are primary teacher, August 2022, learning assistant, Arabic and French teacher, Arabic teacher, science teacher, physics teacher, physical education, male candidate, art teacher for CBSE curriculum, art and photography teacher, British curriculum. So all the jobs are going to start August 2022. For example, if you are interested for primary teacher, you can click this link, read more. So skills and qualities, what they offer, competitive tax-free salary, excellent community clubs, free education, up to 4 children, high quality professional development, generous housing allowance, utility, furniture, package, annual flight, medical cover, end of service benefit, and recruitment requirement. As part of the recruitment process, you will require to submit fully attested degree and teaching certificate, transcript and police certificate. Please note that due to government regulation, we can only consider applicants who are below 50 years of age. So how to apply? Please complete the below attached application form and send to recruitment@akis.sch.qa. So only fully completed application form will be considered. Kindly mention the position title in subject line. Please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. So the closing date is 5th February 2022. So before that you can submit your application as per the instruction. So job application form available here. If you click this link, application form, you can get one Word document. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 12 sections in this application form. You will require to submit up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 pages and cover letter. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is your personal information, employment history, additional experience outside teaching, relevant qualification and certification, other qualification, employment gaps, school activities, hobbies and interest, teaching couple, relatives, family. Finally, you can give it to the declaration. So please complete this form duly signed along with your copy of CV while applying. So all the details are given here. Once you have submitted the application form, you can get acknowledgement via email. So like this, you have to send Alcor International teaching job vacancies. If you want more details about the school, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. In right corner here, they are given what are the benefits. So competitive tax free. So one by one you can check. If you meet their requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. So right corner, all the details are given. What are the benefit? What are the information? Living in Alcor, living in Qatar, life at Alcor International School. So all the details are available here. Application form also available here. Please check the application form and submit the application form as per the instructions. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.hamiltoninternationalschool.qa. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Hamilton International School, Qatar. In this main page, right corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option career opportunities available. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Hamilton International School, August 2022. The successful applicant will be subject to satisfied criminal background check covering the 10 years period to their start there with their school. For application, please email your CV to apply@this.qa with the name of the position applied for in the subject line. So what are the current opportunities? HR administrator, elementary teacher, English teacher. So these are all the vacancies. So job specification, bachelor degree in the relevant field, minimum 3 years experience in the particular subject. The job is going to start August 2022. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply. You can email your CV to apply@this.qa with the name of the position applied for in the subject line. So like that you have to submit your job application form. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.